So this is problem 10.63, and in this problem it gives you 0.75 moles of nitrogen gas, 0.30 moles of oxygen gas, and 0.15 moles of carbon dioxide. And it tells you that the total pressure is 1.56 atmospheres. And the question asks, what is the partial pressure of each? So what I did to solve this problem was I added all of the number of moles together to get 1.2 moles total of all of the components, and then I took that 1.2 moles and I divided each component by that. So when you solve those division problems, you get 0.625, 0.25, and 0.125. And if you multiplied each of these by 100, you would get the percents of each. So if you want to look at this in an easier way, it's 62.5%, 25%, and 12.5%. If you change it to the percents, which is not really necessary in this problem, it just shows you in an easier way how much each component makes up of the total pressure in a percentage. The last step in this problem is to multiply the decimals that you got, not the percentages, by the total pressure, which is 1.56. So you multiply these three numbers by 1.56. And when you do this, you get the answers 0.975 for the nitrogen gas, 0.39 for the oxygen gas, and 0.195 for the CO2. If you added these three numbers up, you would get the total pressure, what you started with, which is 1.56. So these are the partial pressures of each gas.